First day of school after this long winter break, guys. Yeah, I'm headed out the parking lot now, hoping that everything is okay. I know my son moved my car from where it was because there's no way I could have get out of that area. So I'm hoping everything is okay outside there. So you can come along with me, guys. Get my coffee and then head outdoor. Hope you all doing well, guys. The road is a little bit, you know, a little bit slick, but it's okay. And I'm not sure what my parking lot is like. I just dropped Jackson off and I'm gonna do a quick run at Sprout. I need to buy a few items. I need to make a banana bread later on, and I need to get some vanilla and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there, and I think I need olive oil as well. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. Hope you all doing well. Stay warm. It's pretty cold and more or less icy. I mean, the roads are nice and clean, but you know, there are some slick spots out there, so you gotta be careful. Hope you're having a blessed day, guys, wherever you are. Look at all that snow. So much snow, but I mean, the roads are nice and clean, and this is what I like. The roads are so clean, there's no problem. But for walkers, you gotta be very, very careful, because there's a lot of slick spots this morning. So much little thin ice here and there. So for the kids who are walking to school, it's not a big, it's a big deal, I should say. Alright, guys, I just got back in from 9:30 dropping off Jackson. I just got back in. I'm a little bit hungry. I didn't have breakfast. I just had a bit of coffee, some coffee, and yeah, I'm gonna do a quick breakfast here. Guys, it's pretty late now. I bought this sourdough bread. I'm just gonna have a slice with some avocado and some more coffee. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this is it.